Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to change AirDrop name on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one today is go ahead and open the settings up. On the settings page, scroll down, locate and click on general. Click on about phone, then click on name. Once you click on name, then here you should have your iPhone name. So it's going to be your iPhone name. If you have iPhone 16, what you're going to have here is iPhone 16. If you have iPhone 12, what you're going to have here is iPhone 12. So let's say you have iPhone 12 Pro Max, like I do. So this is what you're going to have here. And this is your AirDrop name. Now for you to change your AirDrop name, just click on it, delete whatever you have here, and then type in the new AirDrop name. So once you type in the new AirDrop name, hit the back button, and then you'll see your iPhone name changed. Once your iPhone name changed, this is going to change the AirDrop name. So when next you want to use AirDrop on your iPhone, the name you're going to see is the new name you entered. So that is exactly how to change AirDrop name on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.